Yo, what's up guys? It's your boy Simon Khalil here. About to hop on this Call of Duty, you know what I'm saying? But, topic of conversation I want to get into real quick, it's going to be a short one, is that I put out a couple of videos about Vero, specifically me using Vero more consistently and posting photos and that platforms being for photographers first, yes, right? But I'm also hearing that people are saying Instagram is dead. Let me zoom in so you guys can see my facial expression. It's not dead. That shit is taking people's accounts off, if you know what I mean. What I mean by it is I tend to do reels for fun. I tend to do reels for, just pure entertainment, edit something different. But Instagram Reels right now is sort of working like TikTok, where you can get a bunch of viewership, you could get a bunch of followers, you could get a bunch of likes and all that shit. But that's not what I'm getting at. My main point for it is, are you getting more business out of it? Point blank, period. If you ask me, I certainly am. More and more people are seeing some of my videos. I may not, have the crazy viewership, but people are hitting me up to take reels for them, make reels for them, shoot content for their businesses, whether it's a makeup company or a local brewery. A lot of these places have been reaching out. So I can't really say Instagram is dead. I love Vero as a app, don't get me wrong. I'm a photographer, so photo first 100% of the time. But when it comes to photo and video, Reels has been really kicking the business off a little bit more. Now I can go into a company, if they ask me for a video, I could also sell them on taking photos. So to be honest, I love Vero, like I said before, but Instagram Reels has been popping off. So if you're doing it just for fun, fantastic. If you're doing it just to maybe grow your business, keep at it. Viewerships are up and down and sideways and all this other shit. So don't be discouraged if your videos aren't popping off right away. But other than that, guys, that's all I have for you today. Like I said, it's a short one. Let me know what your thoughts. Are you benefiting from the Reels and the TikToks and all that other shit? Or are you just doing it for fun? Drop a comment below. Make sure you like, share, subscribe to this channel if you like this type of content. Hopefully this helped you out. Keep posting, keep creating. I'll catch you on the flip side. Let me go bust your asses real quick. Peace.